Hello and welcome to English Composition 1. I'm your instructor, Michelle Zupa. This is our announcements page where you should come first when you visit the course. Each week there'll be a brief overview of what we're doing, what assignments are due, what's happening from last week. I may also have breaking news from time to time that I need to tell you about, things like XYZ is graded, so you can look at your comments and get started on any revisions you may want to do. If people are asking me questions that I feel everyone would like to know, I may post it here. If I need to clarify something or make a change to a due date, it'll all be posted in announcements. So be sure and read these when you come to the class. You should also plan on checking in a couple times a week in the course, maybe 3 times a week. And you should also check your WWCC email a few times a week. If I have to tell you something, I may email you. So please keep an eye on that. That's how we will be communicating with each other. My email is here. Contact info for distance learning is also posted here in case you're having any technical issues. Get them taken care of. Don't let it get in your way. At the bottom of each weekly announcement, there'll be a link to the weekly assignments page, which you can also get to on our main menu. I'm going to show you if you need to come back to announcements, they're here. I'm going to show you the contacts page first. My info is here, including the fact that I have office hours through Blackboard IM at these times. This is also on the syllabus. This folder includes Blackboard help and distance learning, along with 2 wonderful staff members, Brittany and Kay, who will be happy to help you if you need to talk to a person. Don't hesitate to ask for help. You know, sometimes when you're working online, something that we think will be obvious to you just isn't obvious because of your system, or sometimes something small is in the way. So get help if you need it. Don't be shy. Email me, contact these people for assistance as well if you need it. Okay, course information. This is the permanent home of our syllabus, the permanent home of our assignment schedule, and information about our book is here, and Blackboard tips and tricks, which can tell you how to do everything from taking a test to uploading to Turnitin. So you can get additional help if you need it here. The assignments page is the place where all the action happens. This is where all the materials are. And these are organized by week, and as each week starts, the new folder will come up. We don't post everything because the course isn't, worked as quickly as you want to. We do things over the course of a week. So the first thing you'll see when you click on the assignments page is what we're doing for the week and what the due dates are. So this week, you're going to be expected to watch some videos and do some reading. You're going to be expected to make a discussion post and respond to the post of a classmate. So usually these dates will be the same. On Fridays, you should be done going through everything and reading everything. And by reading, I mean spending some time, paying attention, taking notes, reading for comprehension, and to learn. After you do your reading and learn the materials, you can do your discussion post. You have until Sunday to respond to one classmate. You don't have to respond to everybody in the class, just one person. This week we have a brief writing exercise. It's a diagnostic, kind of a before snapshot of your writing abilities so that I can see where you are and try and help you make progress. We also have a quiz on the course and the syllabus this week. So every week the next thing you'll see is a list of what you're expected to read or view. So the welcome video was over in the announcements page. The syllabus and assignment schedule are in this folder. I showed it to you before, but you can just click right here. And you should print those up. You'll need them if you ever plan to transfer to another college, to a four-year school. The course descriptions are often necessary, especially if you're going somewhere that doesn't often work with Western Wyoming Community College. Okay. The next thing is our discussion post for the week. We've got the question here. This week we'll have instructions. I'll be posting these on the discussion forum, so you can get them after this week. But I'm always going to want you to copy the questions, and this video will show you how to do them. This is our writing exercise that's due on Sunday, and some brief instructions for how to do it. And finally, we'll have a little quiz. Just click the quiz, answer the questions. You can retake it if you need to. Hopefully you'll get them all right. Feel free to print out the syllabus and the assignment schedule to help you with the quiz. Okay, I'm going to show you the discussion board from the menu view. We've got this week's forum. Each week there'll be a new forum. I only do one a week, so if we have to do more than one assignment, it'll be in part 1, part 2. They'll be labeled for you. We also have our Composition Coffee House, which is a forum where you can talk to each other about things that are not on topic. In our regular discussions, I need you to stay on topic. This is a big class, and if we go astray, it just makes it unwieldy. But if you would like to get to know each other, which I strongly encourage, you can do it here. Okay. Also on the menu board here, we've got some resources. These are things like software downloads and the bookstore and tutoring help. So feel free to click on that and check it out. Your grades will be available here. Obviously you don't have any yet. This is a link to Blackboard IM, which you can download in order to chat with me. So you'll click it here. It should give you what you need for your system. You can also email me if you want to get in touch with me, and obviously my email is in a couple of places that you've seen, but this link, so probably what you'll want to use is select users, and then you can pick someone in the class like me and you just put my name there. You type a subject, you type your email. If you're sending me a file, hey professor, can you look at my draft? I'm happy to do that, and this is how you do it. So feel free to mouse around, and keep in mind that we're going to start in assignments every week, go through these materials, pay attention to the due dates, and then start doing the activities. Again, instructions are provided for this week's discussion and this week's writing exercise. So this week we're all about the course. It's nothing too hard. Let me know if you have any questions. If something isn't working for you, I try and check, but things happen. Anyway, I look forward to meeting you all and working with you all and hearing what you have to say. Okay, see you soon.